Did you know every U.S. citizen is legally entitled to a secondary credit file via the 1974 Privacy Act law? Have you been a victim of identity theft, inaccurate reporting from the credit bureaus, or just need a second chance? We can start your new credit file within 48 hours here at LegalNewCreditFile.com. Won't it feel great to be approved for credit cards, loans, cars, apartments, houses for rent, and bank accounts once again? Leverage your new credit to start a business. Quit your 9-to-5 job or get advanced training. Enjoy starting over with a great FICO score. Take care of your present and past obligations with confidence. We don't succeed until you do. And remember, this new credit file is completely separate from your Social Security number credit file, but works the same way. This is not credit repair. This is a brand new legal consumer credit file for you to use with a new 9-digit number. Go ahead, take a look around our website, read the facts and laws. If you need help, feel free to contact us here at support@LegalNewCreditFile.com, the chat box below, or call anytime. We are always happy to help. Thanks for stopping by. Call us today.